Okay, good day, everyone. My name is Chris Aniyi, as you all know me, founder of Daba, an online education platform, and cryptohub, the first online education platform for cryptocurrency trading and investment education. So I have here with me one of my students who just shared his results with me, how he made over 5K, 5.8 in 2020. His testimonial is fascinating, and I want to hear from him. What's up? How are you doing, Cheta?
I am fine, Oga Chris. Good evening.
Yeah. So, how you were telling me something earlier on, and I want them to hear. How did you get to know about Daba? How did you get to meet Chris Annie?
Okay, about Daba, I was following an event by a company here in Enugu State, Global Wisdom Consult or something.
Okay.
And I think you were the chief speaker at the event or one of the speakers at the event.
Yeah.
So I found your speech interesting per se. So I got into my FBI mode and tracked down your Instagram profile, then found out you have a book, placed my order, and I think that was my first contact with Chris and my first personal contact with Chris. And so going over your book and going through its content, I was like, wow, are you sure this is an
What's the name of
actual
the book? Let them know.
Crypto 101? Crypto 101. I was surprised that the book was written by a Nigerian.
Wow.
I mean, I've been hearing about cryptocurrency since 2016, 2017, but then I did not think a fellow Nigerian had gone that far or that deep into the field to get to the point of releasing a book on it and even having a platform based on it.
Wow.
So that was how I got to know about Chris. And yes, sorry, I've forgotten to give a review. Your book is excellent. The book is amazing.
Thank you very much. Thank you very,
Okay.
very much. Crypto 101, one of the simplest book on cryptocurrency, Bitcoin and blockchain. Okay, so moving on, you started trading and you took a course on Daba. Have you been trading before? Did you know about trading before? Or you were just the type who buys Bitcoin and you hold it?
Okay, before Daba, I wouldn't say I've been trading. I've been holding, but I was basically familiar with the basic features of a wallet, how to buy, how to sell, and just basic features. I created my first Binance account after registering with Daba.
Wow.
Yeah.
And when you took the course, that's when you started learning how to trade cryptocurrency.
Exactly.
Okay. So give me your figure. Let them hear from you. You started in 2020 with a trading capital of how much?
1.5
naira, 1,500 naira,
$1,500. We're talking about cryptocurrency. Yeah, let's forget Naira. Naira doesn't come close here. Naira is not
I'm also going to ask you, how does it feel like earning in dollars now that the dollar has moved from 360 to 400?
Yeah,
how much did you buy Bitcoin recently or sell Bitcoin recently in the market?
420 per dollar.
I bought on Friday, and one lady in our exchange group sold to me at 429.
429. Wow.
Short as I'm talking to you now, I have somebody who is posting 431 in dollars. So tell us, from that your capital, how much have you earned in 2020? Or have you grown your capital?
Okay, I'll talk in figures. I would say an exact figure of $5,800
in profit.
Yes, exactly.
Okay. So if you want to put in 5,008 in profit, in an average of 400 naira, that's from let's even use at 360 or 390. So let's even be considered and say, okay, 390, since the last one just happened in 1 month. At 390 times 5,008. So an average, a young man has made over 2 million naira trading Bitcoin and cryptocurrency in 2020. That's some people's salary in 1 year.
Yeah, in our economy. Yes,
in our economy, you know. Yes, so tell me, what are the things you learned that made Daba help you to profit? How did you profit from trading? You told me something about signals and all those things. Tell me.
Okay, yes, like I always say, I won't take 100% credit for my profit so far, because I'll be honest, it's not entirely, like, I won't give myself, I don't deserve all the credit. So I'll say I deserve to share it 50-50 between myself and you, because your signals have proven to be, I don't know if there's something more than 99.9, but it's less than 100%. Well, it's less than 100%. So something in between 99.9 to 100%. That's how accurate your signals always are. I mean, the amount of work you put into fundamental and technical analysis on various projects, not just one. I, for one, mostly trade BTC and just few alts. Okay, but you bring your signals on various projects, and then by dollar cost averaging and accurate stop losses, it's always a clean trade. Like,
some of them won't know what dollar cost averaging is, but when you come on Daba, no, don't worry, you don't need to speak all the language for them. There's a formula for buying we use in our platform, and that's what he's saying. You know, let me give you guys a tip of the iceberg, those of you who are watching. So I'm going to share my screen and let me show you what he's talking about in the signal room. Now, this was signal to buy Bitcoin. This is 24th of March, 23rd of March. You can see 2020. So this is like 1 month ago. Bitcoin was 6,005. 6,005. Look at, for those of you who are, because we give updated webinars, okay? Now, we give updated webinars, and I had to update people. Now, this is Bitcoin at 6.5. I also made some recommendations about some coins. Now, look at the update here. Look at the update here. This was Saturday, the last one I dropped on Saturday. This video was done March 22nd. Today is April 25. Now, these are the 3 recommendations we gave. Ada was 465 Satoshi, which is now 564. Tezos was 1.67 Satoshi, which is now 2.7. BNB was $11, which is now $16. On your own, do the figure. You'll notice that these signals just in 1 month are more than 30, 40, 50%. So when somebody tells you he makes this amount of money, it's like saying, if you put in $1,000, $2,000 into buying just BNB, when I called it, you know what you've done? That's over 50%. From $11 to listen, you can check now the price of Bitcoin on the market today. This is the price of Bitcoin, 7,007. This is the price of BNB, 16.29. This is the price of Tezos, 2.67. And we have several coin recommendations for that. And there's a way I teach people how to buy and how to sell, how not to lose your money when you are trading cryptocurrency. Okay, so Cheta, give the number of people who will be asking, like, okay, why do you recommend Chris, Annie, and Daba, the trader, make money course on Daba?
Okay, why I would recommend Daba, first of all, is there is no way you won't get value for your money. I mean, it's simply like one of the best ways I've found you can invest in yourself and start seeing actual results in little to no time if you put in the required work and remain consistent.
Great.
So that's just it. I'm not sure there is anyone that has finished his or course on daba and not being able to boost up results
Great.
and steady income from that particular course.
Great. Great. I'm happy I'm hearing this. I'm happy I'm hearing this. So one more thing before we go. What have been your
Okay.
challenges in trading? Tell me what have.
Yeah, the major challenges, when you tell someone you've made a profit of 5,000 each from 1.5, it sounds like, okay, it's either you are lucky or you've been making only good trades.
Mm.
But that has never been the case, actually. Because one major problem I have faced in trading, and I believe most traders still face, is control of emotions.
Mm.
I think it's called emotional intelligence.
Mm.
So being able to master emotions, although now I'm better than it, but my first major challenges were knowing when to leave a trade, knowing if I'm getting in too late or leaving too early. I'm not, I don't know if you understand.
I
So,
get you. I
and
get you.
yeah, so that has just been the major problem. I don't think, but decision making too. Decision making is one of them.
Okay. And over time, you've been overcoming it. One thing I keep telling people is that trading is a long game. So you master
Yeah.
these things with time. Now, there's a question I want to have. What's your trading strategy? Are you a day trader, or are you a short-term trader, or are you a scalper? Are you somebody who wants to trade every day, or you trade this time, collect profits, come back later, and all that?
Okay. Okay. Yes. The last option. I won't call myself an active day trader because I don't trade every day. I mean, I have other things to do which take my time. But then whenever I decide to trade, I do my analysis beforehand on the particular project. I mean, I select a few projects I work on, then uh, do my fundamental and technical analysis on them before getting in.
Great,
And
great,
also trading BTC in the short term has also proven to be profitable,
great.
very profitable actually.
Great, great. Would you say anything concerning our exchange platform that you've been using, Nigerian Bitcoin Exchange? Let me share with them.
Oh wow! I think the that's one of the that should be the first go-to for every new trader. I mean, you get any amount of Bitcoin you want or
Yeah,
any cryptocurrency actually in 2 seconds with legit transactions going as fast as you can imagine. And also when you need to convert them to Naira, you convert them as speedily as possible
so you're
with
recommending
no
our I
with
like
no
these things
usual
right here because
delay.
every time I keep seeing you and your friends, Sinclair and some other guys. Sinclair is on beast mode now. Every time I'm sure
Yeah, yeah,
if
yeah.
I scroll up now, Sinclair, okay, look at it. Sinclair is posting trades, Now, let me share something some of you don't know or who are watching this. Another way, when you join our community, when you buy our trading course on Daba and trade and make money course on Daba, one of the things you have access to is the signal room, the chat room, and a Nigerian Bitcoin exchange where you have legit OTC traders who you can buy Bitcoin from or even sell your Bitcoin to Naira. And that's one of the advantage we have. It's a massive, massive, um, massive community. And I don't think.
At the best rates possible, rates you can't get anywhere else. Yeah.
Oh, I'm super excited. You are the one saying this, okay? And how has it? So it's fast. It's easy. There's no scam on anyone who has been
Seamless.
okay. Now, I think you've answered most of the questions we have here. Um, I had to pick something from your talk that you are not even a day trader every day because that's my strategy. My strategy is I do short-term trade. That's why I updated that result. Somebody was saying me, Chris, you don't drop some things every day. I said, no. Let me tell you, market changes. So there are times when I look at the market and I say, I want to trade this for the next 14 days, and I'm not trading anything except
Any
these
other
two.
thing.
So when I do these two, I make sure I follow it up. Like I'm still holding Tezos. Tezos I bought at $1.6 on Binance. I'm still holding that Tezos.
Wow.
It's crazy.
Wow.
I missed
Wow.
not buying ADA because I was expecting a smaller dip on ADA. So
A retracement.
a retracement, and only for me to come back and see that my order did not fill. And how many days after, ADA has gone from 4 something to 570, 580. Okay, so you miss
Wow.
some, you hit some, and you get profit. Sometimes even Cheta will tell you, sometimes you can even see $50 loss, depending on what your strategy is. But you are not going to lose capital if you use the system we teach. And that's why I'm recommending you all to come and join this platform. If you want to learn how to trade, a lot of people are doing. What is your advice? You've experienced Ponzi scheme before. What will you advise people who are trying to do Ponzi scheme?
Please stop Ponzi. It is scam. It always ends in tears. It always ends in tears. Stop Ponzi. Do something that will give you actual value for your money. Something you control your money all the time. And then you can always go out and come in whenever you want. Not giving Peter to take from Paul. Please.
Before we leave this call, since this past 1 month in the COVID-19, have you made money from trading?
Yes. I mean, look at, you just gave actual examples now. COVID-19 was here when you gave the signal for buying Tesos and
yes.
Look at the actual return.
Yeah.
I mean, there are certain projects that I'll call recession proof. So nothing actually affects it. I mean, the pandemic affected the price of BTC, but if you're an active trader and set your stop losses adequately, I'm not sure you would be
lose your money. Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Yes. Okay, guys, for those of you who don't know what's up here, you're asking, okay, I'm sure some of you will be saying, how do I get on board? It's as simple as ABC. Come to www.daba.school. Once you come here, we have several courses. Oh, they've even updated it. Look at the course here, Trade and Make Money. You can come here and click on this course. This is the course for crypto trading and investment. You want to become a crypto trader. You can watch this video and look at the youth copper who made his own money. I've been training people in cryptocurrency trading since 2017. So I started teaching people about Bitcoin as early as 2016. You can watch here a stockbroker who made money from trading and all that. So all you just need to do is come here, just $200. Once you click pay now, it takes you to a page, to the next page. Put your name, put your password, put your course, select the course. The course is Trade and Make Money. We have other courses there too. You can pay with Bitcoin. You can pay with bank transfer. Now, if you don't want any hassle with your card, this is for Paystack. You don't want any hassle, just pay with bank transfer or crypto. And when you pay with bank transfer, just send a message to this number. Now, if nobody is referring you, like people make money referring their friends to Daba. If you don't have anybody who referred you to Daba, just use this email, anicris03@gmail. Agree, sign up. Once you sign up, send a message and you make your payment. Send a message to this number on WhatsApp and your stuff will be activated. Immediately, you'll be added to the WhatsApp group, and after being added to WhatsApp group, you are activated and you start taking your courses. Let me share something with you guys. There's an article I'm releasing. My team members are designing it now. There's an article I'm releasing, 6 reasons why you should be buying Bitcoin during the COVID-19 pandemic. And I can tell you, if you follow the formula I've been teaching, I've been able to buy Bitcoin since $5,000 last month. Since the COVID-19 issues, like 5,000. Imagine putting 1 million naira in Bitcoin at $5,000. If you put 5,000 from Bitcoin, from 5,000 to 5,500 is $10, 10%. From 5,500 to 6,000 is 20%. To 6,500 is 15%. Is 2.
You'll be sitting on top of.
I'm telling you,
50% right now. 50%.
It's crazy.
You're 5,000 and it's over 7,500 now.
Over 7,500. You're still on that kind. That's how people make money trading Bitcoin. Okay, so guys, jump on this. Any final advice for people who are students, who are workers, who need to earn a side income via crypto? What would you advise them?
Okay. For workers and students, I think my best advice for you is to pick a skill and learn it. Pick a skill and learn it so you get actual value for your money. Unless you'll be reminded why there is so help me God in our Nigerian pledge.
You guys are crazy with these latest memes. People are releasing. It's crazy, man. It's crazy.
Yeah.
It's crazy. And another advantage of earning is that no matter what happens to the naira, if you like, when naira go 500, you will still make money holding your money in BTC or stable.
Yeah.
But listen, if you're watching this, don't go and start trading Bitcoin unless you have my training, unless you have taken this course. So if you go and buy Bitcoin, you don't know how to do it and they scam you. Don't come and tell me, oh, Chris, you said I should buy Bitcoin. No, this is disclaimer. And you cannot earn 5,008 like he earned unless you're following the same strategy, which we've taught on technical analysis and fundamental analysis. Am I right, Cheta?
Yes, you are.
Yeah. So that's the thing. So you don't just say, okay, Chris said there's money in Bitcoin. You go and buy a coin. You go and lose money. And you see those Undertaker boys. I
think,
okay, so
I
for
think
those of you who want my book,
bank is calling.
for those of you who want my book, this is Crypto 101.
Yeah.
Crypto 101. Crypto 101 is affordable. It's $10, 4,000. If you're within Lagos, delivery within Lagos is 2,000. Sorry, so if you have 6,000 within Lagos, you have the book shipped directly to you. Now, when this COVID-19 thing is off, we can ship to other states too. But I think it will soon be off, and you can make your orders. Okay, my WhatsApp number, if you want to order directly from WhatsApp, 07035 07035219208. 07035219208. You can follow me on Facebook, Chris Annie, on Instagram. I am Chris Annie, and let's get talking, okay? So thank you so much, Cheta. I really, really appreciate. Thank you for this time. Thank you for honoring this. Thank you for even sharing your testimonial. There are many people who are making money and they don't want to even let anybody know.
I'm not sharing. No.
Okay, so
thank you.
I know the number of millionaires have been raising for years now, and it's what I love doing. I want to help people become wealthy and successful, and God help us. Thank you very much once again.
Good luck to your team too. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, thank you.